Alright, we good? Are we 100%? Sí, estamos bien. No nuevo, pero sí sirve. We gotta go through here. Okay, that's not happening. That slide a little too far down. This thing slide out too much. Okay. Cooler idea is not working so far. Hold up. My cooler got a little loose.
No. Your contraption?
It slide out in this part. El hook.
But not the bracket.
No, not the bracket. I have to adjust. I did not consider the thing was going to be sliding forward like that. See? There you go. Is the hook too big? Fuck, it's too big, it's slightly too big. Like this. What if I do it like this? I don't know if the thin aluminum is going to do shit, but let's see. Yes, like that's gonna be better. Okay. So this one is gonna do the same shit. Okay, fuck it. I got to loosen up the whole fucking thing. Okay, this is trial and error. You gotta fuck up before you get it right. If I was you, yes. Because they seem to get stuck over there. And I seem to get thirsty now that I see my water, my drinks in here. You know what? I want to put it to here to avoid this shit for getting tangled up. Hey, one more.
You saw Flaco's bracket? You saw Flaco's bracket? Look at this.
I was poor one day, so I made myself a bracket for this shit.
It'll work at the back too?
Yeah. La primera víctima.
¿Viste el bracket que hizo?
Yeah, it's better like a seat. You put a seat cover, you're sitting high.
If you want to really...
¿Viste el bracket que puso?
Pero no tenía esto que era igual.
No, pero ahí esto tenía un top cooler que no se lleva un carajo.
Mira el bracket.
Se la hizo en timo.
Lo hacía, lo van a hacer custom made al timo ya. Alright, that should do. And I bolted into the same hole and I fill out the hole con una resina. It was easy to...
But that shit don't bother your back?
No.
No?
You still had the time before in the same location.
Yo ni me acuerdo de eso.
Let me get a drink. Since we're here.
Pero sí extraño el winch de ese motor. Porque this is still the canam winch. El otro de Warren. The new one broke y le puse un Warren. Este todavía no se me ha roto, pero está ahí casi.
¿Por qué no lo has usado?
¿Cuál?
This winch.
Sí mismo.